In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon income to QuickBooks Online. If you sell on Amazon and want your sales to flow into QuickBooks automatically, this quick walkthrough will help you get connected so your income shows up ready to reconcile. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online with an admin-level user and that you know which Amazon account you want to connect. Having the right access will make the process smooth and prevent permissions hiccups. Begin inside QuickBooks Online. At the top of your screen, click into the search bar and type My Integrations. When it appears, select it. This takes you to the Integrations area, which is designed to help you extend QuickBooks with trusted apps and services that sync data into your books. It's a centralized spot, so you don't have to hunt around menus to find what you need. Once you're in, look for the Find Integrations tab. This tab lets you browse and search the app catalog. Click into the search field there, type Amazon, and select the Amazon integration from the results. You'll be taken to the apps page, which lays out what the connection does and why it's useful. Take a moment to skim the details so you know exactly what to expect. One of the biggest benefits you'll see highlighted is automatic income feeds. That means your Amazon sales data will flow into QuickBooks on a schedule, reducing manual entry and setting you up for faster, more accurate reconciliations. When you're ready, click Get App Now in the top right corner. From here, simply follow the on-screen authentication and connection process. You'll be prompted to grant permission so the app can securely share your Amazon income data with QuickBooks. Stay signed in, keep your browser open, and allow any necessary pop-ups so the connection completes without interruption. If you manage more than one Amazon store or region, be sure you're choosing the correct account as you go through the prompts. After you finish the connection, the integration will begin syncing according to its schedule. You don't need to do anything extra. Your Amazon income will start populating automatically and will be available in QuickBooks for you to review and reconcile. If it's your first time connecting, the initial sync may take a little longer than usual, especially if there's a lot of recent activity. That's normal. Give it some time, and then check back to see the feeds coming through. And that's all there is to it. With Amazon connected, you'll save time, reduce manual work, and keep your books up to date with reliable, automated income data.